I have only 5 words for you.
From my cold, dead hands.
Okay, we're up here at the front differential now. And if you can see, this would be the passenger side of the machine. If you can see this little screw right here, which comes off with an 8mm socket, that is your drain. And if you come over here, on this side, you can see this big one here, which I believe it's a 17mm. Yeah. And this is another 8. What you do, this is an inspection plug. This big one's a fill plug. Take them both out, and you fill in the fill plug until it starts coming out the inspection plug, and when it starts coming out there, you put them both in and you're full. So I'll get the old drained out and we'll get going. You might want to get yourself some long extensions, because it's the skid pan and all that's in the way. But once you get it broke loose, you should be able to just twist it right out. And it should start draining. Yep. That's good. It still looks nice and clear, so I must not have went through much water. Okay, you get a little bit of shavings on your drain plug here. There's a little magnet on it too. You'll see there's a little bit of shavings and whatnot. You want to clean all that up. See the magnet there in the end? That's normal. But you want to clean that up good before you put it back in. And I'll go over and take the inspection plug and the fill plug out so it can vent and the rest of it will run out. And then I'll put this one back in and fill it up and we'll be done. Okay, I'm going to get these other plugs out here. First I'll take this inspection plug out. And I'll take the big fill plug out. Get it out with my finger now. A lot of threads on it. And that's your fill plug. It's made of aluminum, it appears. Then you go ahead and put your drain plug in the other side. And you can start filling it. What you want to do to make this easier, cut your top off of your gear oil and find yourself a little hunk of hose like this. And just squeeze that on there. That way you can put this into that hole and then you can squeeze this until it's full. That way it'll be easier to handle than trying to put that little tip in between your A-arms and stuff there. Let me zoom in here and we'll fill it up. Okay, remember what we want to do is put it in that big hole till it starts coming out that one underneath it. Then we'll know we'll be full. Anyway, we stick this in here. It's full. Fill cap back on. tighten them up and then we're done. Suction plug tight. Well, with that wrench right in the oil bucket, we're done.